one. Anyone who criticizes Jesus can be forgiven, because Jesus was the body, but there was spirit which is upon Jesus, which is the Holy Spirit which just came about us. If you blaspheme it or say it's not from God, then you not be given. Like when a prophet is using the Spirit of God, then you say this is not from God, that is blasphemy, then you will not be forgiven even in the future time. So whenever you are commenting the things of God, make sure you are not commenting against the things of the Holy Spirit. So whenever a man of God is using the Spirit of God, then you say he's not using the Spirit of God, that becomes blasphemy. So you fall under that, you will not be forgiven even in generations to come. So I always say, don't be quick to judge, especially the things of the Spirit, because you judge the things when you judge the things of God, that's blasphemy. So be careful whenever you judge.